is your name?
My name is Pinky.
Pinky. How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Wow. How are you today?
I'm happy.
Great. What colors do you like?
I like pink.
Oh. Okay, so Pinky, let us have a letter recognition. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so what letter is it?
Letter G sound. Letter G sound.
Very good.
H sound. Letter I sound. E.
Okay, good job. What letter is it?
Letter J sound.
What letter is it?
Letter K sound.
What
Letter
letter is it?
L sound.
Okay, very good. Now let us have the sounds recognition. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so Pinky, I want you to point and say the word that has sound g, g, g.
Guitar.
Very good. Okay, I want you to point and say the word that has sound j, j, j. Okay, jellyfish. Very good. Okay, say the word that has sound l, 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 ladder. Very good. Okay, so say the word that has sound l, l, l. Say the word that has sound. Okay, say the word that has sound e. Okay, igloo. Very good. Alright, so this time let us have the picture description. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so Pinky. Okay, what do you see?
I see lion.
Lion. Okay, so what do you see?
I see cat.
Kite. What color is it?
It's green.
It's green. Okay, what do you see?
I see lemon.
What's the beginning letter?
Letter L sound.
Very good. What do you see?
I see letter H sound. Letter H sound.
Okay, what do you see?
I see letter G sound. Letter G sound. Letter G sound.
How about this one? What do you see?
I see letter
This one?
letter J. Letter
What animal is this?
is gorilla.
Gorilla. Do you like gorilla?
Yeah.
No. Okay, so what is this?
It's a hat.
A hat. How many hats do you see? Can you count? How many hats do you see? How many hats are there?